Assalamualaikum friends, subscribe my telegram channel. I will provide first link here, and follow me on Facebook page Sheri SK, and here is my app on Play Store in $4.99 for lifetime, all password in this app. Okay, now here is ink logo version 1 in 4K, and here is a HD full HD. Okay, here is 1.4 sorry 1.54 GB, and same thing here, project file with different version of After Effects. Here is 15, 18, 19 and 20. So open this one. I have 22 After Effects 22. You can use any your version. Okay, you see here is title, compose, logo, place, sold, and here is src image. First we need place our logo. Double click here. Here is AI file, but I open PNG file, my logo, drag here. Okay, here is title, back, play. System are too slow. You see images moving. And now create our logo in paint design, sorry, in ink design. Sheri, and here is second name SK. Wow, so here is complete color for vendor. Add to render queue, start render. Okay, our ink logo is ready, and for 4K resolution is here. Okay, with different versions. I say again, download this app for password, join me on WhatsApp, sorry, Facebook, and here is Telegram channel. Take care, Allah Hafiz.